And today will be a different kind of video because as you can see, we will be unboxing this bad boy. And ito, and we're trying to expand what we can do here at Code, and we are also starting our new side hustle, which is a sticker printing business. So yeah, ito is sa mga investment that we are gonna use in that business. So this is Cut 3. So purchase it at Visa Express. So imagine Visa Express already has Cut on their roster. So with me is my wife, Lauren. She's the one handling the video. So hindi na ako mag-isa ngayon. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this. There we go. So inside the box is another box. But I think this is the official box for Cut. Buti na lang nag-workout ako. So again, as you can see, this is ito na yung front. This is an unboxing of the Cut Maker 3, and this is the box. So, yung brown na box is to protect kapag transport, and this is the official box. So, let's try to open it. Let's see what we got. So, you can see, you are meant to make. And hopefully you can make a lot of stuff out of this. So, inside the box, I want you to go through para hindi lang isang area. Inside the box, we have this welcome envelope. You can see. Ang tabi muna natin. So, again, here's the envelope, the box, dito, and then some protectors. And then we have here. So, these are some sheets of smart vinyls or yung tinatawag nilang smart sticker paper. Basically, these are Cut material na hindi mo na kailangan gamitan ng mat to cut. But yeah, we'll try this in a kapag trinayan natin. And then, here's the machine. It's medyo mabigat siya. And shiny, shimmering. And then we have and then lastly we have the adapters and the USB cable. Other than that, packaging, manual pa tayo. Wala na. Yun. So looking at this one, there. Yeah, yan yung lahat ng kasama ng box. And then, opening the envelope, we'll also have the wing envelope. Opening the envelope, we'll have so the welcome letter, as well as again sample vinyl katulad ng nandun kanina. Yeah, smart vinyl as you can see. And the warranty card. Yep. That's all ng laman ng box. And then, syempre, alisin mo na itong plastic. Try na din. Try na natin. Honestly, mabigat siya. Alam mo mamahalin, alam mo premium. Anyhow, there we go. To open, see what the lid, and tada. Yung protection sheets, we will not be using this. So, and this is our pregnant maker. So, may lalagyan siya ng tools dito. Then, lalagyan ng tools dito. Yep. And then, yeah, naka-install na yung blade niya, cutter niya. But, yeah, all in all, it feels premium. Hindi ka manghihinayang. Okay, one touch muna. And then, we'll be trying it out in a bit. But, yeah. Thanks for watching this video. And, itatry ko muna.